Big hello to each one of you. We're happy to see our trusted and valued partners and affiliates at our next webinar dedicated to the recent release of Refer a Friend from Magento 2. We continue our series of webinars, the main purpose of which to give a better understanding of functional side of our modules and how you and your clients could practically use them on M2 projects. Today, me and my colleague Artyom Kuznetsov, a HeadWorks product owner, will cover following points about the extension. What is a customer referral program? How it's different from other types? Product demo, front-end, back-end, customization capabilities. So introducing M2 Refer a Friend. You know there are three types of referral programs: affiliate programs, customer referral programs, and partner programs. And it's very important to know that a referral program is just a general concept and not a specific type of program. So it means that all these programs should be considered as just a general referral program. So the first one is affiliate programs. Affiliate program is a referral programs that reward third parties, typically with cash, when new customers sign up for your product, purchase your product and service as a result of their referral. And also effective when you have it's effective when you have a collection of powerful influencers who have the ability to refer a product on a large scale, like blog, podcast, landing pages, or a community of consultants who work directly with your target customer base. And the next one is partner programs. So partner programs is a referral program that rewards certified third-party vendors of your product or service with rewards such as cash, recognition, and advertising, and have more rigorous admission process, for example, like paying fees and apply legal obligations. Partners are able to state officially when they're associated with your company and may be listed on your company website. That gives them a recognition. The next one, and the main important one, is customer referral program. If you're looking for an additional way to grow your business, retain the customers you already have, and reach your revenue goals, it's high time to implement a customer referral program and using your service to create advocates for your business. Simply having one is just a good sense because it reveals two things: that you are confident enough in your services and seem to know that a referral program will be a positive investment. And you know that despite your good service, some customers might need a push to go out of their way for you. And a happy army of satisfied customers can do a lot of legwork for you. So now introducing M2 Refer a Friend by HeadWorks. The extension logic and functionality is based on the most demanded features and scenarios. And about 80% of customers seek for a simple and effective referral program. And our extension is developed after their demands. So one of the key options is social media sharing. 67% of Americans said that they were at least a little more likely to purchase a product after a friend or family member shared via social media, email, or text message. So now throwing it to Artyom, who will take a deeper look at the product demo and give you more insight and extension specifics.
Hello, everyone. My name is Artyom Kuznetsov. Just to give you a little bit about my background, I'm working for HeadWorks since 2010. All my prior experience was related to customer support, and since the last October, I am wearing product owner's hat. Refer a Friend is one of my recent projects, and I am very excited to tell you about it. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to do a quick introduction, give a very short and general overview of how the Refer a Friend extension works, and then we'll jump into the demo. After that, I'll give a quick insight into our roadmap. Based on customer feedback, we formulated the following points which the extension for M2 should have. It must be intuitive for customers, easy to configure for admin, and suitable for the most popular scenarios. Pretty obvious. Based on this, we have created our extension, and let's see how it works. From the brand advocate perspective, it all comes down to 3 simple steps. He or she should join the referral program, share a referral link, and get the reward. From a friend's perspective, it's even easier. They just need to follow the link, maybe register on the site if necessary, according to the extension rules, if merchant wishes so, and make a purchase. The discount will be applied automatically. The next part is the extension demo. We will check general configuration, rule configuration. We'll take a look at front-end experience and advocates management. So let's go. Okay, here is the configuration section. There is a bunch of options here. Let's check what they are. The first one, who can invite friends? This can be either all registered customers or only registered customers with previous purchase, or as the merchants refer to them, the quality customers. If this option is selected, we can also choose the order status which those quality customers should have in their account to be qualified to join the referral program. The next option is quite simple: customer groups which can join the referral program. Order status to give a reward to advocate. For the demonstration purpose, I chose pending, just not to jump into the order and complete it. But generally, usually you would want to set it to complete. Maximum refer a friend discount, which can be applied to subtotal. This is a safety measure for merchants. This option applies to advocates only and will be useful for basically for any merchant who wants to make an upper threshold of subtotal. So advocate will not be able to apply more discount than 50% of subtotal. If unused earned discount expires in days, this option is quite self-explanatory. The discount will be expired. Here is a small feature that makes the extension a bit more user-friendly. When a friend lands on the site, we can show them a static block, so-called welcome pop-up. If you don't want to display anything, you just can select do not display. Send an email reminder about the expiration in 5 days. This also self-explanatory. And email options. Here we can see all the usual suspects like email sender and templates for different types of events. Okay, now the rules. The rules are in the marketing section. Notice this installation is a single website installation, so you are getting to the rule edit page just straight from the main menu, skipping the usual grid, which makes it just a little bit easier and quicker for the merchant. Here we have also a very simple and basic set of options like rule name, rule status, website, whether the reward will be applied to shipping amount or not. And here is the wheel which we reinvented. This is actually the rule settings. As you can see, it's written in the plain English, which many of marketing people would appreciate because no one wants to see different options, understand what they mean. This is just plain language, human one, and the settings can be just changed like this in a few clicks. Notice that we can set a friend's registration to be mandatory or not on the site. Every friend can get fixed or percent discount on their first purchase. As for the advocates, they always get fixed discount, and this discount is cumulative. So once the rule is set up, let's go and look how it looks like from the customer perspective. Okay, here is my account. I already in here, and today I want to join referral program. I only need to just click this button, click a referral link, and let's see what happens. Referral link has been successfully created. Yeah, cool. And here, I as a customer, as a new advocate, I already can see what do I need to do and the conditions of the referral program. Every friend gets 10% off on their first purchase. For every friend's first purchase, you get $10 off. Great. Here we can see a small dashboard. Right now it's empty, but we'll take care of this. Here I can see an encouraging message, what to do next. I can either use these social network buttons. They are added with add this service. For those who want to select different buttons, here it is. Oh, sorry, I missed it. We need to click more, and here is more. I think anyone will find their favorite social network or messenger here. The look of these buttons can be managed in the add this account. The same goes for share this. If I click, for example, Twitter button, I can see what would you expect. Notice there is already pre-filled with message, which I may want to share with my readers. All I need just to click tweet. Okay, now I will not tweet it to the outside world, not to disturb my followers. Instead, I will jump out from nowhere on the site as a guest customer, as a friend. Let's just see. Okay, here is the site. It's loading. Where is the pop-up? Which should have been here. Okay, never mind. Let's go to bags and add to cart. Look at the cart, and here I will see. Oh, it doesn't work. I probably already been here in this account. Let's give another try. Sorry for that. I don't know. Let's take another browser instead. Looks like it doesn't want to work here. Okay, we'll cut it out in the recording. Now let's go and check what happens if if I already have invited someone here. Uh, I can see this is by the way another site from the demo. Here I can see already another text. You've got a reward. Now you can go shopping. I can see how many friends I've referred, current reward balance, and expiration date. Also, by the way, I can subscribe to updates every time when one of my friends will land here. I will get an email. Let's check now and see what happens inside Magento in the advocates grid. Okay, here is a small dashboard for the merchants. Here you can see the quantity of orders made by friends and total amount made by friends, comparing to total amount of sales on this side. Here is the list of the advocates. Let's check what's inside of one of them, the most successful one. Again, a small dashboard which gives you a quick overview. You can add some transaction here, for example, like this. I also can subtract something if I need it, and add a comment. No luck. If I save, it will be added to this action log here. Basically, that's it, what I wanted to show you today. Let's get to the presentation. The last bit is the future updates. What we're going to do next is add another scenario, add reward for every friend's purchase, not only for the first one, but for example, for a first year or for a lifetime. Next, the integration with the HeadWorks GDPR extension. Currently, Refer a Friend natively supports right to be forgotten, and we also going to add a close integration, which will also support right to be informed and right to portability, meaning admin will be able to download PDF or XML with not only with general customer information, but also with their referral activity. Advanced rule condition will allow fine-tune the rule settings and, for example, give rewards for purchases from a certain category or for certain products only. You can see my contact information on the screen, so drop me an email, add me on Skype, follow on Twitter, or connect on LinkedIn with any suggestions or questions. I'd love to get feedback from you. It was Artem Kuznetsov, product owner at HeadWorks. Thank you.
Thank you, Artem, for sharing this useful information for our trusted partners and affiliates. And I want to just highlight our next webinar that will happen on June 28th, 2018, and which will be dedicated to advanced reviews for Magento 2. And we will be happy to see you guys there. And that's all for now. And I'm wishing you um, a very pleasant Friday and a happy weekend. Bye-bye.